This matter was listed before the bench of Justice Seema Puri, who had been hearing this matter. Then it had come up, if my lords will see the last order before the bench decided by my lords Justice Ilan Trivedi, when the order was passed to be listed before the concerned bench. My lords, appropriate bench, yes, before the appropriate bench. Now, my lords, we were just saying that this matter has been heard and there is a specific direction passed on 20 January 2020.
It has to go before that.
Last order, there must be an. I've been led by Mr. Gupta. He is talking. There must be an administrative order.
I do not know. I am just bringing it to my lord's notice. If there is one, then I'm not aware of. But
No administration.
So this is about the DLED trained teachers, Millard. The dispute is, Millard, that there is a cut-off date. The advertisement is advertised on a particular date. The rule says that those who are qualified on the issuance of the notification, they are qualified. The petitioners here in Millard, they are admittedly not qualified on the day of.
no, that's not correct. This is a
That's controversy, Millard.
no, that's completely incorrect because the rule
That is the controversy. That is the controversy.
That's the controversy.
Then I am the permission. I can open my matter.
Because on the date of the advertisement, it will not.
So my lords, very well. So my lords, the first thing is whether if my lords are going on with the matter, that's one part. I will take it. The issue is not as it's being projected. We were those candidates who were in that final year, who had to take an exam in June as per the West Bengal board. West Bengal board did not conduct the exams in June. There was a petition filed, the exams were held. The rule has a specific provision that those candidates who are appearing for that exam in that particular year and those who have qualified will be entitled to be considered.
Now, the rules,
my lords, my learned friend, I do not see where's the urgency. It's all on record. There is a government rule out there and there's a rule in the provision. And that's what the court has considered. We were eligible on the date on which we took that particular exam because we had already appeared for our final exam. And that's what the rule clearly says, my lords. Now, my lords, on that basis, we have been found eligible and have been considered there. But the point is this,
no,
that
eligibility, this is what
Primary teachers.
These are primary teachers.
eligibility.
And my lords,
beach में क्यों बोल रहे हो?
Not controversial.
Don't do anything, just keep quiet.
Not
now, my lords, the position is this, that by my lord's order, if my lords...
Eligibility, as I understand, would be this TET and all that?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. No, my lords, there is the other factor here.
Diploma.
Between, yes,
Yeah.
between...
Were you having diploma at that time?
Yes,
No,
my
no.
lord.
No.
My lords, can I answer?
अरे आप
without
उनको बोलने दो
answering?
ना, आप note करके रखो.
They can answer that.
हाँ.
Lords, the case that arises here is between two competing sets of D-led candidates itself. Now, under the provision, there is a thing that if you are taking the exam in a particular year of your D-led final, here the exam got postponed for whatever reason attributable to the board. But I was taking the exam at that time and the rule has a specific provision that if you are taking that particular exam, you are entitled to be taken into the
The rule
consideration.
says that.
Yes, it's
Just read that rule.
absolutely, and it's considered. It has come on the basis of the
Yes.
NCT guidelines itself.
Just read the
Yes, my lords. Let me just get that.
NCT guideline says something else.
No, my lords. It was clarified. There was
Subsequent.
yes, it was clarified, and on that basis, yes. My lords, may just give me a moment because we were all expecting that this is not happening just now. So, but this is what the provision is. Yes.
This is the
Just give
best
me that.
one.
My lords, may take. My lords,
The last order has been complied with. The interim position is clear. So it's not.
So we'll hear it some other day.
my lords, that rule is at 150. Things are there at 150 because I remember.
You can read that.
Yes, my lords. Please come to page. This is NCTE, page 111, and at 115 is the guideline
Read.
for eligibility. Now, following persons shall be eligible for appearing in the
Which people are
See number 5. Oh, sorry. My lords, my paper book is Arindam Marjit, which is fine.
No, no,
All are tagged, but then my
You wanted Arindam.
or in the, that's it.
Acha, Arindam will have it. Which panna is it?
my lords is 111 at 115.
The improved judgment also has it.
Yes,
This is West Bengal thing.
yes. It's once again.
The
Mr.
improved
Gupta is
judgment,
reading the.
the improved judgment is extracted the relevant notification. That way everybody will be on the same page.
Yes.
Page 13, your lordships, 12 and 13 of the
We
improved
have it. Background and rationale.
Yes, my lords.
Where is it that says that you can?
Yes, my lords. Please come to the guidelines at page number 115.
This is different.
Guideline for conduct of TET.
Yes,
right?
absolutely. And the eligibility, my lords, at the bottom of the page. Eligibility, 115 that is. So a person who has acquired the qualification as specified in notification so and so, and a person who's pursuing any of the teacher education courses specified in the NCT. Now I was at the stage of my final examination. And that is how I'm qualified.
We are concerned with the recruitment, not TT examination. TT examination, they were all
My
eligible.
lords, this was also clarified. by
And
the
it is,
Western
there is a judgment of this honorable court. Lordship will decide.
He's right. This is for TET.
Yes, my lords, yes.
The
But
rule
my,
is that page 5 of the impugned judgment. Lordship will see rule 6.
Yes.
The person will have to be trained on the date.
the advertisement
There is-
itself says, give me the page on the advertisement.
It's guidelines for conduct
Just
of
keep
TET.
it.
Page 5.
My lords may keep
Date
it on
and
Monday.
recruitment are two
My
different
lords
things.
may just
Cannot be
keep it on
mixed.
Monday.
The rule here is at page 13, your lordships, keep it on judgment.
That
The
has
relevant-
nothing to do with this. We are concerned with DLED.
Yes, your lordships. These
My
are
lords may
guidelines.
keep it on
Ask that
Monday.
TET.
My lords may please keep it on Monday. My lords, I
Should we just see the rule?
thought that it was going
We
there.
have it on non-miscellaneous paper.
Yes, we keep it on non-mistake.
Lordship will say top of the board, very short.
Yes,
issue,
my lords, we
lordship.
keep it
Won't
on
take
top
time.
of the board is what.
To my
Yes.
Whenever convenient.
Top of the board, if it's at the end, you have to turn the board.
Lordship, a very short issue, lordship. Problem with all these matters, keep everything in limbo.
Page 135 also. Same thing with this. A person who pursues.
And Tuesday.
Come Tuesday, after 2 weeks, just give a date.
Please, my
Based on an.
Any specific date, your lordship?
Then give.
And date.
My lord, we have filed implement application, my lord. We are the NIS candidate, my lord.
Lordship NIS has been held to be different by another bench. Lordship, they
Let the application remain. there.
My lord, kindly allow that
Some other
application so that we can.
NIS is
we are opposing. Lordship will decide the issue. Whatever is the logical conclusion.
Array, 8 minutes. What is NIS?
My lord, we are the NIS institute, my lord. We are the National Institute of Open Schooling. My lord,
Their SLP has been dismissed by this honorable
My lord,
court.
open schooling is not.
Yes, their SLP has been
my lord,
dismissed in this
my
issue.
lord, we are already qualified
Then
to
coming in the
TET, my lord. We have already holding the TET, my lord. We have successfully applied, my lord.
You don't
Let
have
the
a diploma.
application remain on record. Let's.
So this, Your Worship, there's another application that is filed. This matter is about 2022 recruitment. What is not before Your Lordship is that there is another SLP pending before Honorable Justice Rishikesh Roy, which is about the 2020 notification. It's an admitted fact that 4,000 posts from 2020 have been carried forward to this recruitment by an interim order of
Right.
29 January. In this case,
Can't get that.
Yes.
it has been permitted to
My
fill
lord,
those.
Thulia was part of that bench which issued notice. There was actually non-suitable candidate.
Your Lordship, all we are seeking is that the interim order should say it should be subject matter of that.
No, they had asked for it on the
Will
last.
become infructuous.
Nothing.
That will become infructuous, Your Lordship, 4,000.
Come on, non-miscellaneous.
non-mistake.
Yes.
Lordship can kindly give a specific.
They'll give you. 40.
May it please your lordship. Your lordship, the respondent has filed its counter affidavit yesterday only. Your lordship, I seek 4 weeks time to file my